Hi, this is Bob Foster on Wednesday the 2nd of September. A number of people have asked me about the spreadsheet that I use, and so I thought I would just give a bit of information about it. I use this spreadsheet both to record my results and keep a track on performance, but also use it to explain to others how Traffic Monsoon works and what's happened to me. You're very welcome to use my spreadsheet either in your own format or as it stands if you'd like to, as you start off your journey in Traffic Monsoon. So let me go to the Traffic Monsoon homepage. The sort of information I'm going to pick up is this information: active packs, total sharing positions, earnings from sharing, and total earned, together with commissions earned. And I'm going to pick that information and put it into the spreadsheet. The first thing I do is I want to copy from Traffic Monsoon that information there. So it's the packs that I purchased. So firstly I'd need to add some lines, because we've got probably quite a few. So just highlight the line side, the rows rather, highlight the rows, right click, inserts additional rows. So having done that, I'll now go back to the Traffic Monsoon site, and if I go down to my payment history, before I do that, the last entry in there is the 30th of August at 21:10. So I'm looking to find the next entries up to date. So if I go back to Traffic Monsoon, go down to my payment history, and it brings up my payment history. So the first one there is the 31st of August. I'll need to go back one. So the last entry was the 30th of August 21:10. So I'll just highlight those three, right click to copy, back to the spreadsheet, position the cursor on the next one down, right click, select paste special, and use text, and click OK. So that now gets us up to date as of the 31st. I need to go back and collect the the remaining pieces from Traffic Monsoon. So I go to the next area and then highlight these 6 and right click to copy, back to the spreadsheet, right click, paste special, select text, and OK. So what that now does is this gets all of the packs that have been purchased and or acquired up to date. I then go across to here and just highlight the those two cells, copy, next cell down, right click, paste. So that now gives me an update as to how many packs I've acquired, the value of those packs, and in columns F and G I've got what I originally purchased with my own cash and the value of those. So that's now automatically telling me that I've had a total of 287 packs. However, a number of those packs have matured, and on the spreadsheet it's 112, leaving me with 175 active packs. So I haven't found a quick and easy way to do this. I'll double check whether or not I still have 175 active packs. So back here, back up to my account. Number of active packs is 173. So in fact, I'll go back to the spreadsheet and adjust that to 173, and adjust that to 114, which should give me 173 active packs. And I'll Control S just to save it, just in case I sort of, I don't know, lose it or whatever. Right, so what this is now telling me is I've had a total of 287 packs, of which 114 have matured, earning their 10%, and I'm therefore left with 173 active packs. I'll next go to pick up the cash information. So it's back to Traffic Monsoon. My current cash balance is 45.51. So that goes into there. I'll just do it round dollars, 45. My commissioned earned, sorry, what's the next one? Yeah, commissioned earned is 1,523. That's 1,523. Earnings from sharing. It's easy if you do this on a split screen, but because of trying to record it as well, it's been a bit difficult. So earnings from sharing is 10,921. 10921, and total earned is 12,458. 12458. And withdrawn so far, I've done two $50 withdrawals just to make sure. And then finally what I do here is I take the previous week's worth of information by inputting a sum formula to take the previous week's worth of information so I can get a weekly picture. So that's 1350 last week, 1150 the week before, etc. Okay, and then Control Save. So what you now have is a picture that says these are the number of active packs I have. This is my current cash balance. This is the commission I've earned, total earned from sharing, and grand total earned, and any withdrawals I've made and what I've made this week. And it's very quick and easy to update. So what I'd like to suggest to you, if that's all right, is if you'd like to use this, you're very welcome. What I suggest is you download this as the original, the Bob version for want of a better word. So you've got all the formulas in there and all of that sort of stuff, and you can use that with anybody you want to speak to, just as an example of somebody who's been doing it for a while. But then also make a copy of this in your own name and obviously fill your own information in. And believe me, the value of this, when it shows you starting off and progressing, is immense, both to yourself and to anybody else with whom you're talking. To be able to record, sorry, one last thing, you may well notice in the middle of the screen, if you're not used to used to Excel, that there's a split on the screen. So to get rid of the split, you just go up to Split and click it. That gets rid of it. To reinsert it, you just highlight where you want the split to go and click Split, and that's it back again. So, and the advantage of the split, as you can see, is the top part remains static and you can move the bottom part down. So I'll finally just save that. So that's it. So Control Save. And lastly, if you wanted to become involved in terms of recording your performance, then there's the pack that I use, or the organization that I use, is something called Screen Recorder. That's called screenomatic.com. Let me just see if I can widen. That's it. So it's that there. So screencastomatic.com. It's a very easy, it's a pretty easy system to use. It doesn't cost you anything, so it's worthwhile doing. Great. So many thanks for listening. Any questions? Obviously just give me a yell. Thanks then.